when the lead is cast, it comes up with some rough casting marks, and it's on all the corners and the edges, on the top, and so I'm just going to clean it up. I'm using a nice weighty hammer, and being lead, it's just a matter of tapping on it with a hammer. A little bit like sanding. This is just the casting sand coming off. I think this is probably what bugs me, well, not bugs me the most, but it's more work, because these big flat surfaces are part of the hydrodynamics of the boat, so getting them flat is important. So I've got this big lump in here. I have driven them off with a chisel, but frankly flattening them with a hammer is just as helpful. While it's not perfectly flat, this is all going to be epoxy and fiberglass. So I'm going to have this all covered, and also bottom paint, or the paint that's, what do they call it? It's got copper coat in it. That copper coat, it's called by Boat Coat. That is resistant to again, it's a pretty rough paint, so. This doesn't have to be yacht perfect. I'm just getting the worst of it down and just smoothing it out in places. And this big hammer is doing a really nice job. Yeah, it works pretty good. This piece has got quite a hollow in the back, so I'm going to have to weigh each of these pieces and pair them up on either side of the hull, because they go on one side of the case and one side on the other side of the case. So if this actually is a little bit short of weight, hopefully there's another pair to it. But I think I've got one extra tile, so I'm going to weigh each one and then pair them up and write the pairing numbers down and go from there. And then the next thing I need to do is mark them up. So from the radius edge, which is outboard, this has a hole that's 30 mil in and 30 mil in. So I'm using a scribe to mark that 30, 30, 30, 30, and this edge here, because of the centerboard slot, has to come in 60, but it's still 30 from the edge. So, I might go back that far, 30 from the edge. And then I'm just going to use a pencil and a ruler to mark the 60 60 on that one. 60 on that one. And that's where I'm going to drill. Okay.